Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you may know, the crypto airdrop industry is filled with potential. It offers a straightforward way to boost your earnings. However, to achieve better results, it is crucial to take quick and decisive action. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive right in. Today we will be exploring the intriguing ETHFI airdrop. If you haven't heard, ETHFI is currently conducting a second round airdrop to reward its community with free ETHFI tokens. In this video, we will delve into the concept of ETHFI, how their airdrop operates, and the process of obtaining these complimentary tokens. This presents an excellent opportunity to become part of the ETHFI community and potentially benefit from their innovative DeFi platform. Make sure not to miss out on this chance. Stay tuned to learn all the details. But before we begin, remember to subscribe and enable notifications so you never miss any future airdrops. Once you click on the ETHFI link provided in the description, you can begin by connecting your wallet. Keep in mind that meeting certain requirements is vital in order to receive a higher allocation of ETHFI airdrop. Ensure you have at least one liquid staked token, or LRTs, liquid restaked tokens. Personally, I hold ETHFI tokens. Once your wallet is connected to the website, the rest depends on the ETHFI platform algorithm. In my case, I am fully eligible. Now, all I have to do is wait for the funds to appear in my wallet. As you can see, I effortlessly received my share. Another point I forgot to mention is the need to have sufficient ETH to cover the transaction fees. Now, from a technical perspective, based on our current ETHFI price prediction, the price of ETHFI is projected to increase by 225.68% and reach 624 by August 7, 2024. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish, while the fear and greed index indicates a level of 28 fear. ETHFI has experienced 10 out of 33% green days, with a price volatility of 19.36% over the last 30 days. Based on the ETHFI forecast, it is not a favorable time to purchase ETHFI. That concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Happy claiming, everyone.